Garmin Dashcam Tandem Review, best for non-techies. What we love most about this Garmin is that it's stupid simple to set up and use. We paired our phone via the app. Ideally you also purchase a phone mount for your dash so you don't have to look down to see the video, and immediately saw footage on our phone screen. And there's no pressing of buttons necessary. Instead we used super easy voice commands, OK, Garmin, and then a prompt like, save video, to preserve footage, for instance. The Tandem name doesn't mean that this unit includes a backup camera. It has a forward-facing one, as well as one that monitors the cabin. And it has night vision for the interior of the car, so you can see if your kids are flicking fries at each other on the way home from the drive-thru. The tiny candy bar-sized Tandem is unobtrusive and also has both GPS and G-force sensing. To test the latter, we slammed on the brakes, simulating a panic stop, and it captured the footage. Plus it stamps that video with a time and location. It also has a parked car sentry mode. On the downside, a suction mount would be preferable to the adhesive and magnet system used here, for easier transfer between vehicles. And the lack of a built-in screen requires you to pair your phone to see what the cameras are capturing. Pocket-sized dash camera features two 180-degree field of view lenses that record in tandem to provide complete video coverage around the driver. 1440p Garmin Clarity HDR records crisp video details. 720p interior-facing lens with night vision featuring our exclusive night glow technology captures clear video of all passengers at night. Features voice control, available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian and Swedish, and built-in GPS to automatically capture where and when events occur, plus built-in Wi-Fi connectivity lets you view and share video on your smartphone by using the Garmin Drive app. Requires a compatible smartphone enabled with GPS and Bluetooth Low Energy technology. Dashcam Auto Sync feature lets you control and play back synchronized video from up to 4 dash cameras. Additional dashcams sold separately on your smartphone by using the Garmin Drive app. Requires a compatible smartphone enabled with GPS and Bluetooth Low Energy technology. Interested with this product? Check link in the description to get this product today. Thank you.